In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extra columns in Google Sheets. If you're organizing data, building a tracker, or updating a spreadsheet that needs more space, adding a new column is one of the simplest and most useful things you can do in Google Sheets. The good news is that it only takes a few clicks, and once you know where to look, it becomes very quick and easy. To get started, go to your Google Sheet and open the spreadsheet where you want to add the extra column. Make sure you're on the correct sheet tab if your file contains multiple tabs, since the new column will be added exactly where you choose in the current sheet. Next, move your cursor to the top of the column near where you want the new one to appear. You'll be looking at the column headers, which are labeled with letters like A, B, C, and so on. Right-click directly on the column letter. This is important because right-clicking in the body of a cell gives you different options, but right-clicking the column header opens the menu for working with the entire column. Once that menu appears, click either Insert one column to the left or Insert one column to the right. Choose the option based on where you want the new column to go in relation to the column you selected. If you want the new column before the selected column, choose the left option. If you want it after the selected column, choose the right option. As soon as you click, Google Sheets will instantly create the new blank column for you, and the existing columns will shift over automatically to make room. This is especially helpful because it lets you expand your sheet without manually moving your data around. A useful tip to keep in mind is to pause for a second before inserting the column and double check that you've selected the correct column header. That way the new column appears exactly where you need it, which can save time if you're working with a large spreadsheet. And that's it. That's how to add extra columns in Google Sheets. It's a very straightforward process, but it can make a big difference when you need to reorganize information, add new categories, or keep your spreadsheet neat and easy to read. Once you've done it a couple of times, it'll feel completely natural.